Hey guys, it's me. Today we're going to do a quick plug and play replacement of my subwoofer because I may or may not have allegedly blown that one up. I also, as you can see, I have this one right here. This woofer right here was in a flood a few years back. We lost the roof in the back room in a big storm, and it got rained on for a couple days when we were trying to get a tarp up on the roof. It was unplugged, but we thought it was wasted. And as you can see, it's got a bunch of damage on it, but you know what? The thing still works. So we're gonna swap it out and keep rocking. So I'm just gonna copy all the settings on this one, transfer them to this one here, and then all the wires are still in the back, so I'm just gonna switch everything, plug it in, and we should be up and running in a minute. Here we go, now for the fun part. Going back here into no man's land. Because, you know, this is fun. I love to do stuff like this. All right, here we go. Yep. Pretty simple. Because I didn't forget which way these went. Done. I got her. Auto. All right, we should be good to go. So I found a subwoofer test on YouTube, of course, from 5.1 Tests and Clips. THX Ultimate Subwoofer Test in 5.1 Dolby Surround Sound 4K. Let's check it out.
Subscribe to the channel for more videos.
Of course. Pretty safe to say it's working.